here, but I don't have any more tasks right now. So if there's no tasks, if you got all your tasks done, right? You can come. Oops, not there. You can come to this top one over here, and there's a security room over here, and you can click on these cameras, and you can sit here and watch security cameras and see if you can watch somebody get killed. And then even if you see somebody kill someone, you still got to be able to convince the jury in the room who the killer was. So just because you say, oh, Red's the killer or whatever, that doesn't mean people are going to believe you and vote for Red. So a lot of this game is your ability to sell, you know, whatever you think you saw to other people.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! You are a fucking brat! I told you I went to the security room. You sat there and listened to me tell you. I was talking to Lauren about going to security camera if you got all your tasks done and watch people, and then you fucking come in behind me and kill my ass. You're fucking evil. You are definitely defiant. Like, all I gotta say is, fuck you. I hate you. Did you see that shit, Lauren? I was sitting there watching the security camera. She comes up behind me and fucks me up. Stabbed me right in the fucking ass.